So hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to redeem your Binance gift card. Okay, so I'll be doing a live redeem and showing you guys how it works and how you can redeem your Binance gift card. Okay, so right now this is my Binance gift card, and you can see this is my Binance gift card right here. And you can see the total worth of this Binance gift card. Now, one thing I love about this Binance gift card is that what do you have to unlike Amazon gift card that it has a rate of, let's say you get if you get an Amazon gift card of $5, let's say for those in Nigeria, you get a Amazon gift card. When you are trading your Amazon gift card, they won't give you the exact amount. Let's say a dollar is about 1,350 naira. Then you want to trade your $5 Amazon gift card, they won't give you $1 per gift card. They will be, the rate will be different, the rate will be competitive. Okay, but this one, what thing I love about it is that $1 Binance gift card is $1. There is no competitive rate, there is no negotiation, there is no this or that. So that's just how it is. So you can see right here the total amount I'm going to be redeeming, which is $1. Okay, so I'll walk you through the process on how to redeem it. Okay, and how maybe on my next video I'll be showing you guys how you can earn this gift card as little as 0.5 USDT. Okay, so I'll be copying my code and I'll be going to my Binance. This is a Binance gift card. I will want to redeem it to my Binance account. So please, I do not know for whether other platform, but from what I have gathered so far, it's only Binance that can go to redeem Binance gift card. Please, it's only Binance, and your Binance must be verified. I think before you can verify your Binance, you must be, I think, 18 or above. Yeah, 18 or above, because you'll be verifying it to N9. Although it's been long since I verified mine it's been long since I have my account. That is why I don't really know, but I just want to give you a heads up so you know what you are going into. Okay, so if you're watching this video and you have a Binance gift card you want to redeem, okay, and you can't, for one or two reasons you can't access it, you can't get a Binance account, you can always check the comment section or check the order of my videos to see my WhatsApp link. Join my WhatsApp community and also send me a message that you want to redeem your Binance gift card, and I will get it done for you. Okay, so come over to this list, the three this thing at the top left corner, click on it. Now let's wait for it to load. Now what we are going to be doing is click on more service down below. There's an option showing more service down below right here. What you're going to be clicking on more service. Okay, now since we've clicked on more service, we are just going to look for gift card. Now there are different options right here. We are seeing transfer. Okay. Okay, so let's just search for gift card. Okay, look at it right here. I've already seen it. Now this is gift card, as you can see right here, gift card. Okay, so click on your gift card. See, so you can see right here exactly this is actually exactly what I actually spoke about, that you can only redeem a gift card with a Binance account that has been verified. For those of you that are in different countries, you can get your Binance verified with your identity card, national identity card, NIN, for those in Nigeria and so forth. Okay, so what you do, you click on redeem to crypto. Now remember, I copied the code from my Gmail. Okay, so all I have to do is just paste the code right here and I'll click on redeem. Okay, and just wait for it to redeem. Now as you can see right here, it is showing me 1 USDC. Okay, gift card number, expiring dates, expiring time. Okay, so all I have to do is choose the wallet I want to put it in. Okay, I will leave it in my sports wallet and click on redeem. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Successfully I have redeemed my gift card. As you can see right here, your gift card has been redeemed. Okay, now let's go and check my balance. Let's go ahead and check my balance. Okay, okay. Now let's wait for it to load up. Our balance is actually showing 0.00 dollar, but now it will be showing. Let's wait for it to load up. Okay, let's wait for it to load. I think this. Okay, let me just use my total assets. Okay, it has appeared. As you can see right here, my balance has been credited with my $1 instantly. $1 instantly. So I can from now convert it to naira because I'm in Nigeria. Well, if you're in Nigeria, you have a crypto, you want to convert to naira, you don't know how to convert it. You can also join my also community and send me a message, and I will help you convert your money to naira. Okay, that will be all for now. Okay, I'll be making more videos on how to earn this Binance gift card. Okay, how to earn this Binance here for free, absolutely free, without doing anything. So make sure to like and sub.